When someone faces cancer, it affects the whole person, not just the body.
Cancer is one of the most challenging health conditions of our time. It affects not only the body, but also the mind, emotions, and quality of life.
Physically, cancer occurs when abnormal cells grow uncontrollably, disrupting your body's natural functions. Standard treatments like chemotherapy and radiation are often necessary to target these cells. While modern medicine fights the disease, integrative medicine focuses on supporting you. We work alongside your oncologist to manage side effects and improve your body's resilience during treatment. To understand why natural medicine works, we look at the body's own master control network, the endocannabinoid system. Its job is to maintain balance, regulating pain signaling, inflammation, and your immune response. CBD acts as a key to unlock this system. By supporting this system, research and clinical experience suggest we can help manage specific challenges, reducing chronic pain, improving sleep quality, stimulating appetite, and lowering stress levels, all under proper medical supervision. At THAIKANYA, we focus on medical-grade, doctor-guided care. We combine evidence-based medicine with carefully selected natural therapies, creating a personalized plan that fits your specific diagnosis.
Every patient is different. Always consult a qualified medical professional before starting any new therapy.
Healing begins with understanding, balance, and safe care.